You leave the marina expecting your first great loop to feel like one long adventure. Then you reach a bridge you may not fit under, discover the next fuel stop is farther away than expected, or arrive at a lock without knowing where your lines and fenders should be. A smooth great loop depends on a few decisions made before you leave the dock. Here are 7 quick tips for your first great loop. Tip 1. Know your boat's real dimensions. Do not rely only on an old brochure. Know your actual air draft, water draft, beam, and overall length. Air draft is the distance from the water line to the highest fixed point on your boat. Antennas, radar arches, lights, and added equipment can change that number. Your dimensions affect which bridges, canals, and shallow areas you can use. Measure the boat fully loaded and keep the numbers near the helm. A few inches can change your route. Tip 2. Follow the seasons, not a perfect calendar. The Great Loop is not a road trip with a fixed schedule. Weather, river conditions, lock closures, mechanical problems, and water levels will affect your plans. Use broad seasonal goals instead of daily deadlines. Travel through northern sections during warmer months and leave extra days throughout the journey. A weather delay is part of safe cruising. Tip 3. Plan shorter travel days. A 50-mile day may look easy on a chart, but locks, bridge openings, current, traffic, and unfamiliar marina entrances can make it much longer. Try to arrive with daylight and energy left. That gives you time to prepare lines and change plans if needed. A short day that ends calmly is better than a long day that ends with an exhausted crew. Tip 4. Never guess your fuel range. Some sections of the loop have many fuel stops, others do not. Calculate your usable range, not the maximum number from a brochure. Account for wind, current, generator use, detours, idle time, and a fuel dock being unavailable. Always keep a reserve. Sometimes slowing down is the easiest way to increase your range. If you are planning your first long-distance cruise, subscribe to the channel. We help future liveaboards enjoy boat life without ignoring the practical realities. Tip 5. Prepare for locks. Early, your first lock may feel stressful because several things happen at once. Before entering, prepare your lines, place your fenders, put on life jackets, and decide who handles each task. Listen to the lock operator and move slowly. Do not wait until you are inside the chamber to organize the boat. Early preparation makes the experience safer and less intimidating. Tip 6. Reserve strategically. You do not need to reserve every marina months ahead, but you should not assume every stop will have space. Reserve important locations where slips are limited, especially around busy towns, holidays, or long gaps between marinas. Call ahead before a major travel day. Confirm fuel, depth, check-in time, and docking instructions. A short phone call can prevent a long problem. Tip 7. Use more than one navigation source. Do not depend on a single app. Use updated charts, weather reports, official navigation notices, marina information, and recent local knowledge. Electronics can fail, phones can lose signal, and tablets can overheat. Keep backup information aboard. Advice from other boaters can help, but it should support your judgment, not replace it. The Great Loop changes constantly. One week may bring quiet canals, the next may bring open water, locks, tides, bridges, or commercial traffic. You do not need to predict every problem. You need enough time, fuel, information, and flexibility that one unexpected issue does not ruin the journey. Know your boat. Respect the weather. Travel shorter days. Protect your fuel reserve. Prepare early for locks. Reserve wisely. And never depend on only one source of information. Your first Great Loop does not have to be perfect. It simply needs to be approached with patience. Which tip do first-time loopers overlook most often? Leave your answer below. And subscribe for more practical guidance about retirement boat life and affordable cruising.